National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Logan County, Hardin County, until 4:45 a.m. At 4:05 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bluffton to near Jackson Center, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, Kenton, Ada, West Liberty, Forest, Russell's Point, DeGraff, Lakeview, Dunkirk, Alger, Bell Center, West Mansfield, Chippewa Park, Northwood, Blanchard, Roundhead, Quincy, Mount Victory, Rush Sylvania, and McGuffey. Here is a special weather statement. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Shelby County, Darke County, Miami County, until 5 a.m. At 4:11 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fort Loramie to near Bradford, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Troy, Sydney, Piqua, Greenville, Tip City, West Milton, Versailles, Covington, Arcanum, Newport, Bradford, Fort Loramie, Pleasant Hill, Ansonia, Hardin, Webster, Wayne Lakes, Russia, Gettysburg, and Laura. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 69 and 96. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 a.m. for Shelby, northwestern Logan, northeastern Darke, Auglaize, and northwestern Miami counties. Here is a hazardous weather outlook. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wayne County, northeastern Union County, Indiana, Preble County, northwestern Butler County, western Montgomery County, until 5 a.m. At 4:15 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Eaton, moving southeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Eaton, Liberty, Camden, Lewisburg, West Alexandria, Gratis, West College Corner, Brookville, New Lebanon, Farmersville, College Corner, Somerville, West Elkton, Boston, Richmond Municipal Airport, Goodwin's Corner, Oklahoma, West Florence, and Cottage Grove. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 1 and 22. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County, southern Union County, Indiana, southern Butler County, until 5 a.m. At 4:19 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brookville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Oxford, Monroe, Trenton, Batesville, Brookville, 7 Mile, West College Corner, Oldenburg, Williamsdale, Dartown, Salem, Riley, New Miami, Blooming Grove, Metamora, Millville, St. Leon, Scipio, and College Corner. This includes I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 145 and 148. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the Miami Valley of Ohio. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Champaign County, northwestern Clark County, until 5:15 a.m. At 4:23 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near DeGraff to near Troy, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Urbana, New Carlisle, St. Paris, West Liberty, North Lewisburg, Christiansburg, Northampton, Tremont City, Mutual, Cable, Thackeray, Westville, Powhatan, Kaiser Lake State Park, Millerstown, Catawba Station, Ken Ard, Terre Haute and State Route 41 at State Route 235. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Preble County, northeastern Butler County, northwestern Warren County, Montgomery County, southern Miami County, until 5:15 a.m. At 4:25 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gratis, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Springboro, Vandalia, Englewood, Monroe, Trenton, Franklin, Tip City, Moraine, Carlisle, West Milton, Oakwood, South Middletown, and Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 14 and 40. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 29 and 68. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Butler, Clinton, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County, Franklin County, northeastern Ripley County, Dearborn County, northern Boone County, northwestern Hamilton County, southern Butler County, until 5:15 a.m. At 4:33 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brookville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Hamilton, Fairfield, Forest Park, Monroe, Springdale, Harrison, North College Hill, Batesville, Mount Healthy, Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Brookville, Bright, Hidden Valley, Ross, Cleves, Milan, and Oldenburg. This includes the following interstates: I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 147 and 171. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 14. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 24 and 28. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, WXJ-46, Miamisburg, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.